Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Learned Counsel for the Appellant submitted that on 14th October 2009, this court in writ petition number 53576 of 2009 has passed the order of status quo with regard to managing the affairs of the institution as on date, meaning thereby de facto situation regarding managing the affairs of the institution was directed to be maintained by the respective parties, and therefore the district inspector of schools Mainpuri was not at all justified in passing the order on 30th December 2009, clarifying that as the signature of Ram Lal has been attested on 3rd October 2009, the account would be operated by him, and when the contempt notice was issued and an opportunity was given to him to comply with the order, the district inspector of schools Mainpuri had rightly cancelled the order dated 30th December 2009 by the order dated 20th December 2010. He further submitted that the learned single judge was not justified in staying the order dated 20th February 2010, which runs contrary to the order dated 40th October 2009 passed by this court. Sri K.R. Sirohi, learned senior counsel, on the other hand, submitted that the present appellant, having challenged the order dated 3rd October 2009 passed by the district inspector of schools Mainpuri, whereby signature of Ram Lal was attested by means of the writ petition, which was initially dismissed on merits, and in a special appeal, the appellant having got the special appeal and writ petition withdrawn without reserving any liberty or getting any permission to challenge the same in a fresh writ petition, is stopped from saying that the order dated 3rd October 2009 is of no significance. He also invited the attention of the court to the information given by the Treasury Officer Mainpuri under the Right to Information Act 2005 by the letter dated 80th February 2010, wherein it has been stated that the letter dated 3rd October 2009 passed by the District Inspector of Schools Mainpuri was received in the office of the Treasury Mainpuri on 12th October 2009, that is, much before the order passed 14 October 2009 had been passed by the court. According to him, as prior to 40th October 2009, the signature of Ram Lal has been attested. The District Inspector of Schools Mainpuri has rightly clarified the same by the order dated 30th December 2009, and the cancellation of the order passed by the District Inspector of Schools Mainpuri is uncalled for, and the learned single judge has rightly stayed its operation. We have given our thoughtful consideration to the various pleas raised by the learned counsel for the parties, and are of the considered opinion that the present appellant cannot challenge the validity of the order dated 3rd October 2009 in a collateral proceeding in as much as for the reasons best known after the writ petition challenging the said order has been dismissed, and in the special appeal preferred by the appellant, the writ petition and the special appeal have also been got dismissed as withdrawn without any liberty to file a fresh writ petition. That being the position, and in view of the legal position that the order dated 3rd October 2009 attesting the signature of Ramlal had come into existence, and therefore he is entitled to operate the account in the capacity of the manager of the institution. The District Inspector of Schools, Mainpuri, it appears, had developed cool feet when notice for contempt was issued and had passed the order on 20th February 2010, cancelling his order dated 30th December 2009, which is to safeguard his personal interest. We are therefore of the considered opinion that the learned single judge had rightly stated the operation of the order dated 20th February 2010, which does not call for interference. The special appeal fails and is dismissed. Thank you.